Hello, welcome to the Hustlepreneur channel. Online courses are a fast-growing popular alternative to traditional education. Teachable is an online course creation software designed to make it easy for creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses of all sizes to build and sell personalized, engaging courses and coaching products complete with lectures, quizzes, videos, etc. Founded by Ankur Nagpal in 2014, this all-in-one provides you with all the tools you need to design, create, and promote your course. Watch the rest of this Teachable review to discover more about this popular online course creation platform so you can determine whether or not it's an excellent fit for you. Is Teachable worth it? In that case, Teachable is an excellent option for you to consider for a smart passive income. In this Teachable review, you'll be able to run your knowledge business with zero tech headaches thanks to the intuitive, unified dashboard. Unlike other platforms, aside from becoming a smart passive income and investment, the Teachable platform comes with an impressive range of features, including synchronous and asynchronous learning, blended learning, built-in course authoring, course publishing, data import-export, eCommerce management, eLearning companies, Instructor-Led Courses, Learner Portal, Teachable mobile-friendly site for mobile learning, progress tracking, surveys and quizzes, self-paced courses, tests/assessments, video conferencing, storyboarding, selling courses. You get all these features and more for one affordable price, which is how Teachable offers you spectacular ROI. Suppose you had to get all these different tools separately. With Teachable software, you don't have to worry about this because you get all the built-in features in one place. There are a ton of additional integrations for other third-party tools and apps that you may already be using. Who is Teachable good for? Teachable is best for creators, entrepreneurs, and small online business owners who want to earn money by sharing what they know through online courses and coaching. It's also an excellent tool for educational institutions and large corporations looking to train employees more conveniently. Here are a few use cases to help you understand how the Teachable platform provides value to different online course creators. As you can see, Teachable is perfect for everyone, from online course creators and bloggers to industry professionals and even hobbyists. If you want to create an online course, build an online school, or offer free courses, paid online courses, and coaching services, this platform, used by thousands of businesses and millions of students worldwide, might be right for you. Building your school website with Teachable. Teachable features make it perfect for academic/educational purposes. You don't need an external site to build your school site. Everything you need is on the Teachable platform. All of it is designed to be user-friendly and affordable for educational institutions. Some of Teachable's principal functions make it an excellent option for building school websites. Tons of themes and templates to choose from. Building the pages of your school website, including sales pages, lesson pages, checkout pages, etc. All in all, you will love the online course platform aesthetic and user interface. Ease of use. Teachable is extremely user-friendly. You'll be able to easily upload content and add your curriculum videos, PDFs, quizzes, etc. Intuitive drag and drop editor. In addition to having tons of themes and templates to choose from for building your online school, you can customize these fully to achieve the look and feel you want for your educational portal. You can customize your online school experience using the Power Editor, which will allow you to create engaging multimedia videos, lectures, and coaching sessions. Unlimited everything. The Teachable offers unlimited video bandwidth and, how many students? Well, unlimited students on all paid plans. So as a school owner, you can have as many lessons and students at your school as you want and complete courses, which is great because your plan will stay the same even as your school continues to grow. As we see in this review, your school can have as many webinar sessions, presentations, and lectures as you need, and you never have to worry about a limitation on bandwidth. Teachable course creation capabilities. Whether you want to create online courses, webinars, or offer coaching, Teachable has all the features you need to get started, let us dig deeper into these features. Here's a look at some of the platform's full functionality for creating online courses. 1. Easy to set up. Teachable is easy to navigate and set up for course creators. 2. Build beautiful course pages. Teachable has a lot of beautiful, expertly designed course pages that you can customize for your course website. 3. Upload files easily. This is yet another exciting feature from Teachable. Connect your own custom domain. You can use Teachable's domain to connect to your own. Marketing and selling your courses with Teachable. With Teachable, you'll be able to easily build a beautiful course website so you can share your knowledge with the world and be rewarded for it. The Teachable Payments feature allows you to earn when you create and sell online courses easily. Teachable Payment Solutions have everything for all course creators, and the platform lets you accept global payments in over 130 currencies. Receive instant payment for your online school, course, or coaching services. Payment information. In short, in Teachable Payments, there are many different payment methods tailored to the specific audience that helps you in selling online courses more effectively and grow your business revenue. The platform allows you to follow the money. It handles conversions, pixel support, author payouts, affiliate payouts, first and last touch attribution, etc. One-click upsells. Once a student is enrolled in one of your Teachable courses, you can offer them a chance to purchase another course at a discount on your thank you and sales page. Multiple pricing plans. You can also offer different pricing plans for each of your online courses to give your students various options. Teachable Instructor Support. Teachable Support is award-winning for course content writers, experts, new course creators, and businesses. You can get help in several ways, including email/help desk. Teachable has a helpful and responsible customer service team trained for great customer service that you can reach by email. Live chat. This feature makes it easy to get help while working on your online course without leaving the site. Online training courses. Teachable has tutorials on every aspect of online course creation and selling online courses. With the paid plans, instead of hiring for external training for your team with Teachable paid plans, you also get access to Teachable U, where there's a huge collection of both live and recorded webinars, online lessons, videos, documentation, and various other resources to support you on your online course creation journey that you cannot access from the free plan. There are many options from the Teachable eLearning platform for displaying and presenting your course material most effectively. Teachable Student Management and Support. Here's a look at some of the more prominent functionalities for student management and support. Collect feedback with surveys and forms. Feedback is fundamental to the success of your online learning business. Communicating with your students is accessible via the built-in email service. Everyone loves a graded quiz, and it's one of the best ways to test your students' knowledge as they go. Offer course completion certificates. When students complete your course, send them course completion certificates to reward their hard work. You also have the course compliance controls at your disposal. Teachable integrations. Teachable has many integration options that make it easy for users to get started with all the necessary tools. Tracking Teachable courses. With these integrations, you'll know your numbers so you can find opportunities to make improvements to your online course business. Your Teachable dashboard can view the number of enrollments and your earnings for any given period. You can monitor the progress of your course and see metrics for student engagement. You'll get easy-to-comprehend reporting with details on the number of students in each course on a lecture-by-lecture basis, the revenue generated, and other information to help you stay on top of your game. Teachable offers integration with Google Analytics, conversion pixels, and other tools to help you monitor where your traffic originates from, such as Google searches and more, and get a better understanding of which types of content are most popular with your students so you can create courses with relevant content that ensures student engagement and success. Teachable Pricing. Teachable has a flexible pricing scale, making it easy for beginners to get the features to create and sell courses and what they need at a reasonable price from free plan, basic plan, pro, and business plan, and unlock additional features as their online course business grows. The Teachable pricing and plans are as follows. Free plan. $0 per month. Unlimited students. $1 plus 10% per transaction fees. Instant payouts. Unlimited courses. Product bundles. Unlimited coaching services. Course design templates. 1 admin level user. Basic quizzes. Product support. Third-party integration. Basic plan, $39 per month. Everything in the free plan plus. 5% per transaction fees. Members-only community. 2 admin level users. Training for new online course creators. Custom domain support. Drip course content. Coupon codes. Third-party integrations. Built-in email marketing. Private student community. Pro plan, $119 per month. Everything in the basic plan plus. No transaction fees. 5 admin level users. Priority product support. Graded quizzes. Unbranded website. Advanced reports. Course completion certificates. Integrated affiliate marketing. Course compliance. Group coaching calls. Business plan, $299 per month. Everything in the Pro Plan Plus. 20 admin level users. Manual student imports. Bulk student enrollments. Advanced theme customization. Custom user roles. You can save up to 20% on each plan by paying annually. All in one platform, rather than having to find, pay for, and use multiple tools. Teachable has everything you need to design, build, market, and sell your online course from one convenient dashboard. Final thoughts. Teachable is a powerful platform that lets you create your online school, teach solo or with multiple teachers, or sell courses directly from your site. We have explored this Teachable review and discovered that Teachable has tons of features for both basic and advanced users. In addition, it's affordable and cuts down on the learning curve thanks to the intuitive user interface. And with Teachable key features of a learning management system, payout management, tax support, and compliance, you'll be able to grow and scale your online business with no additional integrations or headaches. I hope you find my Teachable review helpful. The best way to show your appreciation for this video is to like, comment, and share. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future content.